Hey guys, good morning. If you have oily skin, you already know the struggle. Your face looks shiny within hours, pores feel clogged, and acne just keeps coming back no matter what you try. You cleanse, you moisturize, you buy expensive products. Yet the breakouts continue. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Oily skin is asterisk, not the enemy. In fact, oily skin can actually age slower and stay naturally hydrated, asterisk if you treat it correctly. Asterisk if you treat it correctly. Today, I'll walk you through a complete, science-backed, asterisk oily skin acne care routine, step by step. No complicated nonsense, no unrealistic promises, just a routine that actually works. Let's begin. Step 1. Understanding oily skin. Before we touch a single product, we need to understand something crucial. Oily skin does asterisk not mean dirty skin. Oily skin means your sebaceous glands produce excess sebum. Sebum itself is asterisk not bad. It protects your skin barrier. Acne happens when excess oil, dead skin cells, bacteria, inflammation come together. So our goal is not to strip oil. Our goal is to balance oil production, keep pores clear, control bacteria, reduce inflammation, protect skin barrier. That mindset changes everything. Step 2. Morning route ran. Your morning routine sets the tone for the entire day. 1. Hazard. Gentle cleanser. Start with a asterisk, gentle, non-stripping cleanser. Many people with oily skin make a huge mistake here. They use harsh cleansers that make the skin feel tight. That tight feeling? It's damage. When you over-cleanse, your skin reacts by producing asterisk, even more oil. Look for gel-based cleanser. Low foam, sulfate-free, non-comedogenic massage gently for about 30 to 40 seconds. No aggressive scrubbing. Your skin is not a dirty pan. Rinse with lukewarm water. Tomerzant, toner, optional but helpful. Asterisk rub, but for etors, not mandatory, but for oily acne-prone skin, it can be very beneficial. A good toner can remove leftover residue, balance skin pH, control excess oil, calm irritation. Look for ingredients like niacinamide, witch hazel, alcohol-free, green tea extract, salicylic acid, mild. Avoid toners loaded with alcohol. Alcohol may feel satisfying short-term, but long-term it worsens oiliness. 3. Serum treatment layer. This is where real acne control happens. Choose one primary active depending on your concern. Asterisk niacinamide, oil control plus barrier support, salicylic acid nonce 4, pore unclogging, asterisk azelaic acid nonce 4, asnove plus redness plus marks, zincwas, sebum regulation. Apply a thin layer. More product entered, better results. Consistency wins. 4. SREC, lightweight moisturizer. Yes, even oily skin asterisk needs moisturizer. Skipping moisturizer is one of the biggest acne triggers. When skin lacks hydration, it compensates with more oil. Choose oil-free, gel-based, water-based, non-comedogenic. Your skin needs hydration, not grease. 5. Hongs, sunscreen. Non-nocatable asterisk. If you skip sunscreen, your acne routine is incomplete. Sun exposure worsens inflammation, darkens acne marks, increases oil production, damages skin barrier. Choose gel sunscreen, matte finish, SPF 30 or higher, non-comedogenic. Apply generously. Under-applying sunscreen is extremely common. Step 3. Daytime habits. Your routine doesn't end after skincare. Your habits matter. Avoid touching your face. Use clean towels. Blot excess oil if needed. Stay hydrated. Manage stress. Avoid heavy, greasy makeup. Skincare works best when lifestyle supports it. Step 4. Night routine. Nighttime is repair time. 1. Honge. Double cleansing if wearing sunscreen makeup. If you wore sunscreen or makeup. First cleanse, then micellar water cleansing gel. Second cleanse, gentle face cleanser. This ensures pores stay clear. 2. Honge, shishment step, most important at night. Asterisk night is ideal for stronger actives. Depending on tolerance, salicylic acid, retinol advanced users, bleiacid, Bond soil peroxide, spot treatment. Azelaic acid important rule. Asterisk start slow. Asterisk overloading actives destroy skin barrier, more acne. 3 hunched. Hydrating moisturizer. Night moisturizer can be slightly richer, but still lightweight. Your skin heals while you sleep. Support it. Step 5 weekly care, daily routine, plus weekly support equals real results. Clay mask 1-2 times week, nor all absorption. Gentle exfoliation 1-2 times week, nor all absorption. Clean pillowcases, sanitize phone screen, avoid over-exfoliating. That leads to irritation, tracks outs. Step 6 Camine mist out.
手心、
Let's
手
fix
背
what
都
ruins
来一下
most
吧。
routines. Over-cleansing, skipping moisturizer, using too many actives. Using too many actives expecting overnight results.
可以了吧？
Picking acne, copying routines blindly. Acne treatment is an asterisk long game. Think months, not days. Step 7. Are realistic expectations with consistency. Oil balance improves in weeks. Acne reduces gradually. Texture improves. Marks fade slowly. There is no magic product, only correct habits plus patience. Step 8. Why your ANCAP's coming back. Let's talk about something frustrating. You treat acne, it disappears, then suddenly it comes back in the exact same areas. Why? Because acne is rarely caused by just one factor. For oily skin, acne usually results from a combination of excess sebum, hormones, clogged pores, skin barrier damage, lactylation, barrier damage. Lifestyle triggers. If you only attack acne from one angle, you get temporary improvement, not lasting results. Real acne control requires a multi-layered approach. Step 9. Mastering oil control without damaging skin. Many people think oily skin must be aggressively dried. That belief is the root of endless breakouts. Here's what actually works. Balance oil production. Regulate sebaceous activity. Maintain hydration. Keep pores clean. Reduce inflammation. Not stripping. Over-exfoliating. Constant washing. Harsh alcohol products. Healthy, oily skin is balanced skin, not dry skin. Step 10 Key ingredients for an oily encre made for one's skin. Let's break down the most effective ingredients. 1. Salicylic acid. BHA gold standard for oily skin. Why it works. Soil soluble, penetrates sebum, unclogged pores, reduces blackheads, coils acne ideal for whiteheads, blackheads. Congestion, oily T-zone important. Start slow, 2-3 times per week. Too much equals irritation. 2. Niacinamide, one of the safest and most versatile ingredients. Benefits: oil regulation, reduces inflammation, improves barrier, minimizes pores appearance, fades marks great for beginners. 3. Zinc sebum balancing plus calming, often paired with niacinamide, helps reduce oiliness, redness, astes, active breakouts, 4 NAs, Cenapix acid underrated but extremely powerful. Treats acne, reduces redness, fades dark spots, helps sensitive oily skin perfect if your skin reacts easily. 5. Hams, retinol advanced users, very powerful but requires caution. Regulates cell turnover, reduces clogged pores, controls oil long-term, improves texture, but improper use equals severe irritation. Never rush retinol. Step 11. Hydration vs oiliness. Crucial difference. Oily skin can still be dehydrated. Yes, both can exist together. Signs of dehydration: tight feeling, dullness, skin producing even more oil, increased breakout solution. Use lightweight hydrating products. Look for hyaluronic acid, glycerin, panthenol. Avoid skipping moisturizer. Hydrated skin equals calmer oil production. Step 12. Acne triggers you may be ignoring. Even perfect skincare fails if triggers remain. Touching your face, hands carry bacteria plus oil. Constant touching equals constant breakouts. Dirty pillowcases, oil plus sweat plus bacteria accumulate fast. Change frequently. Overwashing. More cleansing, less oil. Overwashing signals skin to produce more sebum. Stress hormones directly increase oil production. Stress equals flare-ups. Lack of sleep, poor sleep, disrupts hormonal balance and strokes acne spikes. Heavy occlusive products, thick greasy creams can trap oil. Choose textures wisely. Step 13. Diet and oleous skin, ACNAN, realistic view. Diet is not the sole cause of acne, but it absolutely influences it. Common triggers: excess sugar, high glycemic foods, glycemic foods, excess dairy for some individuals. Highly processed foods, helpful habits. Drink enough water, balanced meals, fruits and vegetables, omega-3 rich foods, omega-3 rich foods. Avoid extreme restrictions. Remember, skin reflects internal balance. Step 14. What to do during acne flare-ups. Breakouts happen. Even with perfect routine, here's what not to do. Panic. Add 10 new products. Over-exfoliate. Simplify routine. Gentle cleanser. Mild treatment. Hydration. Patient's skin needs stability during flare-ups. Step 15. ACNE marks and post-acne care. After acne heals, marks often remain. For oily skin, niacinamide, Fralthway, azelaic acid, sunscreen, most important. Gentle exfoliation. Sun exposure darkens marks dramatically. Sunscreen equals essential. Step 16. Long-term is stretchy forced age for clear skin. Clear skin is rarely achieved by products alone. Winning strategy. Say consistency, gentle care, barrier protection, stress management, proper sleep, balanced diet. Patient's acne management is a lifestyle, not a quick fix. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay cool.